is the intermarket analysis that we did the other day with the guys. We might get something in here. I need to go and check some things. I think we are going to make a low and then continue going higher. If we take out this low, I think the pandemic is gonna send it. We're gonna get something like this again. Yeah, if we take out this low like we did here, because they've started making this talk about locking down again. Or in the UK, they've started talking about locking down again. So we took out this low and then price went down. Look at the candles. Okay, we haven't had none of that until today, and we are going into September. They're gonna start scaring people with that virus again. So if we do get that, I think we might get this kind of moves in the market again. So we'll be expecting a move back down. For now, this weekly level we should see a like price support here. Yeah, we should see support at that level, because that's the protocol. If the daily is bearish, the protocol is to wait for a weekly level, and that's a nice weekly level. If that weekly gives up, then we move to the monthly. But on the monthly, I don't see anything. We're gonna come back down. That's scary, but it is what it is. Okay, so we have to wait and see what price we do at that level there. But if this low gives up, then there's a low gap in here. We're gonna come in there, bounce, and then continue going down. Let's jump back up into, I think this week is going to be mental. So I suggest, if you don't know what you're doing, if you are new, maybe just watch the market for this week. Okay, just watch it for this week, because the news is gonna take price up and down, up and down. They've just run this high into this last up candle, and then we might see a rejection and then come back all the way down, and that could hurt someone's or people's psychology.